guys, it's Gina, and I want to thank the brand for sending this over for me to share with you guys. This is the VELAMO Advanced Calcium Multi-Balm Stick. It's like an all-in-one for the under the eye, the face, the neck. It's a solid stick design, which makes it super easy to use. Perfect to carry in your purse or even like a carry-on if you're traveling. It gives skin like a dewy, smoother looking finish and has a calcium complex. So I want to kind of show you what it looks like when it's going on. It also has cica and centella, which is supposed to kind of help calm the skin. Let me show you what it looks like going on. So I'm going to put this in a few places. I like putting it under my eyes, and then I also do some on my neck. I also like putting it right here in these lines around my face and around my mouth. So the reason why I feel like these are some of the areas that I really need that extra moisture. And again, I like that this is so simple. It is like there's no mess about this. You simply dial it up in the container, rub it on, and then you can put the lid cap on. And again, if you're traveling, it's great to throw in your carry-on bag. You can have it in your purse. It makes it really easy for on the go. And if you're looking for a simple way to apply moisture during and throughout your busy day, this is definitely an item that you might want to check out.